Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini not working issue in Samsung Galaxy A27. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.